Peace, peace. You already know the vibes. You're back with your boy Wrenchturna. And today I'm out here doing some horticulture work with my lady. And just getting some things done. I'm gonna show you guys what all we looking at and more than likely what we gonna bring. I know I got my forehead out. I told you. Want no receding hairline around here, baby. But nah, I just had to let my hair breathe and just be out here, before they implement this whole stay-at-home thing down here. In NC they haven't done it. It's not like this is the epicenter of the disease or anything. And of course, I want you guys to stay tuned to what I got going on and check out some of the plants that they have here. Because like I said, we're just here looking around, thinking about what we're going to plant and what we're going to keep. Before they implement this ban to stay at home and to not go out, I said that I was gonna get up because my lady said that we was gonna get up and we was gonna do something essential to this whole stay at home thing. So we came out and we said we was gonna buy some things to plant so that we could be good. And out here, one of my favorite places to be, Stone Brothers and Bird, because I like the people that work here and I like their selection, and we always get good stuff here because we already have some things planted, but some of the things we don't have to keep. And I want to plant new things because when you plant new things, you get to see new things grow. And I have a want to do different things. Last year we had jalapenos and green peppers. And we had a few things, but I just want to get things that I know will be used, like the grape tomatoes. Like my lady likes those a lot. You know what I mean? Banana peppers, we had some of those. So, you know, we gonna do it, and I'll keep you guys informed on how the garden grows. All right, but I just wanted to make this video for you guys. All right, talk to you guys real soon.